Some of the new arrivals in this past week or so. How about the 2007 Saturn Sky Convertible? Great. This is a great entry-level car to get into the hobby of fun cars. Silver birch over black. Only got 29,000 miles on it. Garage cab. Peppy. 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual. So that's nice. You got.
I have a friend on his second Solstice.
Yeah.
And I've always liked the Sky because it's got a little more linear. It's not as rounded.
Yeah. It's a different looking car. It's weird different. You couldn't tell it if you didn't see them sitting side by side, but we sure can when they're sitting side by side tell the difference. So.
And those were the last cars built in Wilmington, Delaware at the Boxwood plant.
Yeah, absolutely.
A little bit of trivia there.
How about this is the oddball of the week, the 1978 Chevrolet Monza Station Wagon. I don't even barely remember these. I remember a Vega wagon that looked similar to this. Saffron over beige, 79,000 or 76,000 actual miles, rare ride, 355 cubic inch V8 4-barrel in it though. So somebody stepped up because I can't imagine it came from the factory with that.
Right.
No.
Don't imagine so. And it's got a Muncie M21 manual. So this thing's a little beast.
Wow.
Yeah.
It is, but it's a sleeper because it looks just like a regular pedestrian car.
A pedestrian little Chevrolet Monza Station Wagon that you never see. And how about the 73 Plymouth Road Runner GTX, dark green metallic over green. I love that dark green metallic.
Yeah, I do
I think that's a cool color. I like all the dark greens, whether it's Pontiac, Verdoro green, Chevrolet's got a green, and I can't remember the name of it for some reason, but I'll think of it at 4 a.m. and I'll call you.
Okay.
This one is got the window sticker and the broadcast sheet. Numbers matching 440 cubic inch V8. Numbers matching A727 Torque Flight Automatic. One of less than 75 built. 118,000 actual miles.
Yep.
Probably been redone though, so really the miles is not quite the thing you should focus on.
Right.
You should focus on the fact that it's there's probably not a nut and bolt that was untouched on this car, as many of them are when they come in here. So also the 1987 Volkswagen Vanagon GL Synchro Westfalia, pastel white over gray, 97,000 actual miles, a 1915 cc electronic fuel injection 4-cylinder. Ooh, that's a mouthful. 5-speed manual, another 5-speed manual. Solid camper. This is a cool little car, and this has got a cult following like nobody's business.
Yeah,
people love these.
He's got a little refrigerator, a little bed.
Yeah.
It's really cool. I mean, and glamping or this sort of off-roading kind of thing is in right now.
It's an in thing. So
and as they say in Germany.
Do they say that in Germany?
This is cool. I drove this thing. I forgot how cool and fun it is to be right up front.
You are there. There's no nose. You're right there.
I think I wrote it as it's like a movie screen to the road.
Yeah, you feel like you might tip over forwards.
Yeah, it's cool.
Like those Econoline vans back in the day.
That's right. It's pushing you as opposed to
pull. You put whatever.
You got it.
Yes. Also, new arrival, the 63 Studebaker Avanti R2 Coupe, supercharged 289 V8, Avanti turquoise over turquoise. So this is turquoise.
It's turquoise.
Rebuilt 4-barrel BorgWarner T10 4-speed transmission. Very original. One of 1,832 built. And talk about ahead of its time. These cars were... These were like spaceship-looking things to people back in '63. I mean,
well, and compared to what Studebaker turned out, most of their cars, they were sharp.
Little the cool thing about Studebaker is they were a little outside the box. They were a little rebelistic, if you will.
Yeah.
And this car really stands out, and not everybody appreciates them until you kind of give them the story on it. A guy might look at it and say, "Oh, that's okay. It's something weird from the '60s," but it's really there's some fascinating stuff about these cars.
Big enthusiastic group.
Yeah. Oh,
followers.
huge group.
Yep.
And last but not least, full disclosure, this is mine.
Was yours.
Well, it's still mine. Sell it. The 1965 Honda CA77 Dream, Neptune blue over red. Great color combination on this thing.
It is a beautiful bike.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not a bike guy.
Yeah.
Beautiful bike.
Fully restored. High revving 305 cc parallel twin engine. 4-speed manual, smooth runner. It's a crowd pleaser.
It's a crowd pleaser. You just park it. It's got chrome and blue and red.
People just they flock to this thing.
It is a beautiful.
Yeah,
beautiful
it's funny how people are like that. So there are certain things that just attract people. And if you go to a gas station, you probably won't get to leave for a couple hours.
Right,
so
right. I'd put this one in the living room. It's kind of like a piece.
I'm thinking about putting it in my office if it doesn't sell.
It's a beautiful piece.
If it doesn't sell.
You could.
Because I have room in my office.
Ed's got a bunch of motorcycles in his office.
He's like 12 in his office. So.
The Classic Auto Mall Show with their host, Stuart Howden.